Take your project planning to the next level with Canva Whiteboards. Whether you need somewhere to quickly record all your ideas, collect some inspo, or collaborate with others, a whiteboard is the perfect solution. In this video, you'll learn how to make a collaborative mood board, how to use comments and assign tasks, how to use project-based templates, how to export your whiteboard and share to a mobile device. Moodboards are a creative way to collect and display your inspiration. They also help focus and communicate your project ideas. That way, everyone will be on the same page before detailed work begins. Using a whiteboard to make your mood board is a great way to kick off any visual project, thanks to its infinite canvas. If you prefer to start your mood board with some structure, you can use a template, like this one. Otherwise, just add your inspiration to a blank whiteboard. Once you've collected your inspo, it's time to sort it. Why not invite some teammates to collaborate with you? Just click the plus button and enter their email address, or share a link with them. You'll see them pop up here when they join. Whiteboards also come preloaded with stickers and graphics you can drag to the canvas. Use these to emphasize different parts of your mood board. To give more specific feedback, use comments. Mention someone with the @ symbol so they are notified, or assign them a task for greater accountability. They can write a response and react with an emoji. There are plenty of project planning templates in Canva to help you manage your next big project. For example, you could collaborate on assignments, organize research, or map out a customer journey with a user experience wireframe. The flexibility of Canva Whiteboards makes it the most versatile product we've ever created. Once your project is complete, there are many ways to share it with the world. And if you want to share just one section of your whiteboard, you can export it with the right-click menu, like this. Whiteboards work just as well on mobile too, so you can collaborate with colleagues and review work from anywhere on any device. And that's it! Enjoy planning your next project with Canva Whiteboards.